Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, it is summer in Cape Town and I have a new family house. It is situated here in the part of Observatory, which is mostly consisting of big freestanding houses. The Observatory station is at the end of the street. You can see it's only big houses in this neighborhood, and this is a specific house that we're going to be looking at. It stretches all the way down. At the end of the street you can see the YMCA, that is it. This specific house has a garage and also an entrance here from the back of the property. The garage is a spacious garage for a single car, but it's got a high roof, so can put a big four-wheel drive in there without any problems. The house is rented out at the moment, and the tenants here will be moving out early in the new year, and that's why the house is for sale. In front we have a established garden. As you can see, it's all nice and private. What is special about this house is the attention to detail. You can see here the burglar beams outside the window. There's also a camera over there. It's got an intercom by the front. It has more outside beams, and if we go to the side of the garden on this side, you can walk right through to the back along the passage pathway there. There's also an outside shower, but now let's walk past the doggy in the front and see what the inside looks like. It has wood floors. Everything is in a good condition here. It's got a beautiful front door, and the main bedroom is the first one on the left. You have loads of built-in cupboards. Get a sense of the size of this room. It's got a beautiful ensuite bathroom. There's loads of built-in cupboards here. A cupboard for towels or linen, if you like. And there's this big shower here also. From here we go to the second bedroom. It has a fireplace. It's all peaceful and quiet. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Lots of built-in cupboards, beautiful floors. There's a linen cupboard in the passage here. Extra storage space. The third bedroom. Also loads of built-in cupboards, as you can see, also with a beautiful fireplace. This is more than a queen size bed in the front. You can see the floors. This is the family bathroom. With a hand basin and a separate shower. And Werner is your estate agent. If you want to know more, then visit my website hotpropertyincapetown.com, where you can find a floor plan and all the pictures. More detail. Enter into the living area. It's all light. It's north facing. There are some double doors going to the garden. You can sit here in the window also. You can see here's a dining area, lounge area, and it's open plan. This is all spacious living. Granite tops. There's a solar geyser also on top of the roof. There is facilities here for maybe a dryer. There's a place for a washing machine over here. A dishwasher can go in there. Quality sanitary ware. This is this side of the house. Now we're going out here to the north end, and here are that fake grass with fynbos, and here's some jasmine, all beautifully established. On the side there's some water storage tanks here. There's an outside hand basin, and there's an outside shower on that side. All the windows and woodwork is good quality throughout. Then there's a braai area. You can sit outside over here, and then this is like a hydroponic system here going. The garage is, as I say, a big double garage. We're not going to bother in there. And this is your back door and the doggy. So there you have it. If you want to see more, as I say, visit hotpropertyinCapetown.com. Werner, I'm your estate agent. I would love to show you around. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.